Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna, just make it to like 7,000 gold, I think. So, yeah. That's my main goal today. I'm locking in. Yeah. I'm also using this one glitch. Yeah, that automatically lets me get me to the chest very fast. I saw that on YouTube, and which is what you're watching right now. Make sure you like and sub, and yeah. Real POV, if I got stuck in the chest, that would be so crazy. And then bro, what? Bro, I'm like Michael Jackson. Bro, dude, I just took a picture, alright, bro. Bro, I completely ignore my grandma, Hey, yo! Again? What the heck? He's doing here to do it. Bro, it's such a pain making a video. I'm gonna end my video at 6,000 gold. Cause I'm running a low battery now. Sometimes this glitch doesn't work because the magnet isn't, it's kind of disabled, but I'm feeling a bit tired today. Wow. Come on, one more. Hopefully I can use an app to edit the video or something. Dings! Bro, why isn't it working? I'm way too tired, bro. I sometimes upload my video. Dang. What did you got, bro? Bro made a nickel worm. I don't know what's in his head. Oh crap. Oh no. Ah! Okay. I'm gonna end this video right here. Make sure you like and sub, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.